In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format tables and matrix charts in Microsoft Power BI. Start by opening your Microsoft BI app on your desktop, then navigate to the report that contains your chart. Make sure you're on the page with the visuals you want to adjust. First, select your table. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline or handles around the visual. This is important because the options you change in the next steps apply only to the currently selected visual. To design it, look to the right panel and open Format Your Visual. This is where you control the look and feel of the table. Once you're there, go to Style Presets. Presets are a quick way to establish a cohesive baseline design. Choose a style that you prefer. Here I'll choose bold header to make the column titles stand out right away and improve readability. Now move through the sections to fine-tune the design. Open Grid. Here you can change the grid line color and width. Thinner lines and subtle colors reduce visual clutter, while thicker lines and stronger colors add structure if your data is dense. Pick what best suits your report's purpose and audience. Next, go to Column Header. In this section, you can change the font, the text color, and the background color, and you can control header alignment. For example, a bold font with a contrasting header background draws attention to the field names, and center or left alignment helps keep things consistent with your data type. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to maintain accessibility and legibility. Continue to customize the table as you'd like, making small adjustments and pausing to check how they affect readability. Consistency across colors and spacing will help your viewers scan the information quickly. Now click on your matrix chart to select it and go back to Format Visual. Matrices offer many of the same formatting options as tables, with a few layout choices specific to hierarchical data. You can change the layout and style presets to match your table for a unified look. Head to Grid and adjust colors and width here as well. Subtle grid lines often work best in matrices, especially when you have many levels of rows or columns. You can also apply similar changes to other elements, keeping your choices consistent across the visual so the data remains the focus. That's it. With just these formatting controls, you can make your tables and matrices clearer, more attractive, and easier to read without changing the underlying data.